back on the Macintosh in this lesson. As I mentioned, we'll be switching back and forth between Mac and Windows throughout this series. And for this lesson, I've included a sample website so you can follow along. And I recommend the first thing you do is to set up that site. So you want to go to Site, New Site. Give your site a name. This website is a collection of paintings by a friend of mine named Robin Eschner. So I'll call this Robin Eschner Paintings. You can use the little browse button to find the main root folder. It's in your project files in Part 1 in Lesson 5, and it's called Robin Eschner Paintings. Select the folder and choose. If you're on the PC, that's Select, but essentially the same process. For the Images folder, there are numerous Images folders within subfolders in this site. It's a much bigger and more complex site than we've been working on so far. But for the main Images folder, I recommend you use the one at the top directory level. Select it and choose it. Again, I like case-sensitive link checking. Click OK. And Dreamweaver loads all of the files of this site into the Files panel. So over here you'll see I have a number of pages in this site. I have folders that have subfolders. We're going to be working in this section of the site. So if I double-click on the index page here in my Paintings folder, let's stick with Design View for the moment. And you can adjust your interface and make any adjustments to the interface of Dreamweaver that make you comfortable. I want to be able to see all of the features at the bottom of the workspace here. So on your screen, this site may look quite different. You may see a lot more of the bottom of the screen. Part of why I set this green background to extend so far down below the page is that depending on the size and resolution of your monitor, you may see only what you see on the screen here, or you may see this design very small in the middle of a very big monitor.